We are not doing any more sugar beet. Look at the lorry. It's filthy. This is a 1 o'clock start. Wait, they forget to tell you about the canteen, don't they? It's a load of pavers. Sort of tried to be a bit quicker, obviously. The work is a bit quiet. Saturday, guys. I just pulled up on the petrol station. This guy was filling up the truck. Pulls up to the pump. Guess what? Just goes in the shop. You think maybe he's going to hand the card in or something like that, and then he's going to fill up. No. He's gone in there to get a coffee. So, someone that actually wants to come to the pump and fill up can't because the little man decided he wants to go get a coffee and block the pump. But anyway, run over. Good morning. Today is a good morning. Well, it's not a good morning, it's a sad one. You probably have had enough of seeing this background, but today we got some news yesterday. We got a message from the boss man saying it's the last day on Beet today. That is very sad news because it's emotional. It's emotional, really, because the Beet is an amazing job. I really enjoy it and everything, but we actually don't know what we're going to be doing tomorrow. We could be doing bricks, blocks, sandbags. I don't know. We could be doing anything really. But for this week, I don't really know what I'm going to be bringing you, content-wise. But I can assure you, I'm going to try to bring you as much as possible of sugar beet, the last day on sugar beet, which is today. And then we're going to phone up the boss later on in the day when we finished on sugar beet, because literally whatever we get loaded, we need to tip today. We can't load and deliver tomorrow. Everything that we load needs to be delivered today. So we're aiming for 3 loads. Anything extra is a bonus. Didn't fill up. We filled up on Thursday evening or Friday morning last week. So we was quite low on diesel this morning. So that's why we here on this beautiful background. And yeah, sad times. But I am going to let you go. I'm going to pay for the fuel in a minute and everything. I'm going to let you go. I'm going to film a little bit to show you some more content on the Beet. But please sit tight and keep watching, because today could be a fun day. I'll see you in a bit. By the way, look at the lorry. It's filthy. I didn't wash it on Friday. Sad times. They'll do. I reckon this is very close to the last to the last load that we're gonna do. Quick update. What you've just watched was us loading third last loads of the campaign, sugar beet campaign. We are not doing any more sugar beet. So this is it, guys, for sugar beet this year. I'm sad. I'm sad because this job is awesome. It's nice to do. Like I said before, I love working with the people that work with us here. Well, that we work with out here as well. Lovely, lovely, lovely people. A massive thank you to them for having us again. It's been a pleasure for the second year in a row. Now we're gonna drop our third load into the factory, ring the boss man and see what we've got in the cards next. So I will see you guys a bit later in the day to update you on what we're doing tomorrow. So this is us arriving to the factory. We're just pulling into the weighbridge. Now pulling away from the weighbridge. We're about to go into the sample bay, which you will see just in a minute. Me coming down to it, and then an arm will come down, which basically it's like a tube spiral thing that comes down, takes some beet out, and then they test it, and I think that's how they pay the farmer for the quality of the beet and stuff like that. Then we crack on, that comes away from the back of our lorries, and then we crack on either onto the pad, which is like a tip, which I might show you in a minute as well. But we are now, as you can see, coming into the wash. Now we lift our beds up, our tippers up, so there's a little bit of incline so the beet can run off a little bit easier. And this is when they sort of, you just wait for them to turn on the pressure hose thing, nozzle. That then fills up the bottom of the trailer with water, which makes the beet run out of the trailer. As you can see, the beet now running off. And stay tuned, because I will show you us tipping on the pad as well. But that is self-explanatory, so I will leave you to watch that one. Right, what you're watching now, it's Tuesday morning. We had an early start. That was a 1 o'clock start in the morning, because we finished quite early the day before on the Monday, which was our last day of sugar beet. We then started nice and early to do a fridge run. So sit tight and enjoy the video. TLO11. There we go. There's not a lot of space there, is there? Not for a fat boy like me, boy. Right, without further ado, we're going to get this show on the road. I'll see you back in a minute. By the way, this is a 1 o'clock start, 1 in the morning. This is mad. Come on, let's go. We are on the way. We've just left the place, as you can see. We have got an arrival of 4:48. We're meant to be there for 5 o'clock, so we are kind of tight today. So let's go and enjoy the ride. I will catch you maybe when it's there late or something exciting is happening, but for now I'll leave you with a bit of this. Just pulled up to go to the services. I don't want to go into the services main thing. I want to go into the garage. Closed. So let's go hit the road again. We have been in the office. We stopped here in the office. We have found out what bay we're going on. We're going on bay 26. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a spinny around here. Take it as wide as possible so we don't bugger the wheels on the trailer. What a nice trailer. I like this trailer. Number 26 there. Need to figure out what bay I want really. There. Oh, they've got numbers on the floor, which is quite nice actually. There you go. How are we gonna do it? We're not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it. Can't you tell we're not used to this work anymore? Wow, that was a mega fail. Still not. That is embarrassing. That is an embarrassment to lorry drivers, that is. There you go. We are just gonna go back there because we need to open the doors. That is how to bugger up a maneuver into a bay. Right guys, we are now stuck, I think. Yeah, we are here. So, Costco fleet, all drivers. But we all going on one lane here. Morning, pal. It's my first time here, so I don't really know what I'm doing.
Right, stick it on bay 108.
Yeah.
Just wait in your cab.
Yeah.
Go red when they're tipping you. As soon as it goes back green, just use the one-way system to the exit.
Yeah.
Just give that in for your papers, mate.
Apparently there's a canteen you can have breakfast, is there?
Yeah, in the driver's waiting room where they make notes.
Perfect, thank you, mate. They forget to tell you about the canteen, don't they? Oh, it's gonna be between two lorries, mate. Let's go open the back doors, shall we? Well, this could be risky just after mega failing that reverse manoeuvre. Let's watch this one between two lorries. Open a little bit there. Cheers, mate. Quick update. Basically, we got back to the yard. We spoke to boss man, and he asked us if we could do another job to go to Nottingham. But unfortunately, because of our hours and our spread, we can't quite make it. So our original plan was to get the trailer that we was doing sugar beet with anyway, because we washed it all nice yesterday, and take it back to the hire company. So that's what we are currently doing. In a minute, what you'll probably end up seeing is me dropping off the trailer and saying one last goodbye until next time. But yeah, so I just decided to sort of come in here to let you guys know what's going on. I think I forgot this morning to say, it is Tuesday today. It is Tuesday. We started by collecting a trailer, a fridge trailer, to go and deliver chickens. That is the Tuesday stuff. Anything before that, it's Monday. Monday was our last day on Beet. But yeah, very sad to see Beet go. But very happy how today went. Fridge work is very, very good work. So's Beet. So's Beet. Sugar beet, should I say. But they both got their pros and cons. Like fridge work, you don't get to exercise a lot. You get to sit a lot on the seat. Sugar beet, you get to get out a bit more, but then you get dirty and stuff like that. So yeah, all pros and cons, but both very, very good jobs. Especially for the winter months are very good jobs for them kind of that kind of season. We should be going back on the crane tomorrow to do that Nottingham job, which is a load of pavers that actually sit in our yard ready to be put on a trailer and go out. On that note, I will leave you with a bit of footage maybe of me dropping off the trailer and stuff like that, and then I will see you either tonight or tomorrow morning when I've got some updates or something for you guys to see. So I will see you in a little while. Ta-ta for now. Right, so There's some flatbeds. There used to be some low loaders there, but there you go. Right, getting back in the lorry and going back to the yard. Good morning. We are just getting ready to hit the road to go and do that delivery I was talking about yesterday. We have done our checks. We've done our checks. We're just making a coffee now. To tell you what, I need a haircut and the beard trimmed so bad. It's getting to the point like the beard gets into the food and everything, man. Oh, it's quite annoying. There you go. Right, so today, back to our conversation. Let's not go divert our conversation into somewhere else. Northampton. No, Nottingham. Sorry, Nottingham, guys. And then we don't know what we've got. It is a bit quiet on the work front, I believe. So we might be going home early today. But it's not a problem because we still haven't had a shower this week. And we could do with having a shower and go see our family, which would be quite nice. Quite nice, I should say. But on that note, guys, I will leave you to it for now, and I'll see you on the other side when we are tipping, if I am allowed to video, obviously. But I'll see you in a bit. I'm just gonna have a little bit of tidy up in the Hoover, and then I'm gonna set off. Bye bye for now. There you go. Hello fella, you alright? Yeah, not too bad.
What you got, buddy?
A load of brake weave. Right.
There's a gap in between two sets of the concrete, though. No higher than 3 packs.
Alright.
Leave it with you, Shag. I'll shift my truck out of the way now.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
You want me to tip, yeah?
Yeah, go for
Yeah.
it, mate. Toilet, warehouse door, second one there.
Alright.
Door next to you, tea machine.
So you want me to back in there and then just drop them either side?
Yeah, drive in, spin yourself around, as that last wagon was, park exactly like you was, mate, and just drop into the gap. Okay?
Perfect, no
Cheers,
problem.
bud.
Thank you. Yeah, apparently this is the guys that sold the stuff to the other people that didn't want them. So we're delivering it to them instead. Just putting the legs out and everything. So these blocks that we pick up, they're quite easy to pick up, I don't know, because they all, like the straps are really sturdy and stuff, so you don't really have to worry about where you pick them up really. Try to make it as neat as possible, because obviously we'll leave a bit of extension on the arm because then we know that's sort of there or thereabouts that we are going to be dropping the bricks. Sort of tried to be a bit quicker, obviously. Not that we're rushing for anything, to be honest. I don't think we've got anything else on the way back. But on that note, I will see you back in the cab. I'll leave you with the unloading of this. It is the end of, well, it's not the end, it's 3 o'clock at the moment. We've just washed the truck once again this week. Basically, as I was saying earlier, the work is a bit quiet, so we are going home. We don't know if we're going to be working tomorrow, because obviously the work is that quiet, sort of thing. Well, not sort of thing, is that quiet. Just trying to sort a couple of things, because I got soaked. I got soaked the other day washing the truck, and I put a load of stuff in this locker because it was like wet and stuff. And I want to take it home to wash it. But I didn't want to have it like directly in the cab, just in case it stunk. So, but anyway, I've come here to let you guys know that this is going to be the end of this week. I'm not going to film anymore because, well, there's no point, because we don't know what's going to happen. Well, there is point, but if we don't know what's happening, yeah, might not do it. Well, good morning everyone. Saturday today. We're just doing a quick shift. Well, a quick shift, shall we say. We're doing a shift. We're pulling a refrigerator, as you can see. We have just been on this transport office, and they have told us to go on to Bay 15. So let's crack on with it. Let's just get out to open the doors. Well, let's see if they can take 2 pallets off quite quickly, because we need to crack on, peeps. of the trailer. At Banham Poultry. Going to be there. I'm going to try to do this in a way that basically I don't knock you off. So at the moment we are detaching from the fridge trailer, as you can see. This is a second shift. Woo! This has been a second shift on the fridge trailer. Well, we didn't do anything else on Wednesday. When I left you on Wednesday, we didn't do anything else after that because the work is a bit dry at the moment. So we've spent Thursday and Friday at home, and then we had a call from the boss man saying if we was interested to do Saturday morning starting up at midnight. So obviously, because we've been 2 days off and everything, we decided to do so. Hence why we in a little predicament of detaching from a trailer right now. So just come with me. We'll put you there now. Apply the brake. Brake applied. Yeah, we took the line off, didn't we? So right. So bit of echo. I just want to show you the back of that, really. That's the inside of a fridge. That's what we've been working with. We've pretty much done now. We just need to pull the pin now, so we can detach from the trailer completely. Wait. Basically, you just pull this, pull that, and lock it in place, and then we should be ready to go. Let me just check. So lines, legs, brake, which comes on when the lines come off. Doors are open. We've got the number plate. We've got all the pins and done. Right, we should be good to go, really. So I'll leave you to it, guys. Until then, I will see you on the other side. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you on the other side.